Welcome back to Camshaft's Garage, and today we're wiring motors.
We're finally gonna get into some wiring. We got a little bit of stuff to do under the car, then we can set it back on the ground. If you watched last week's episode, you'll see that me and Cam has got the same clothes on. That's because we just finished up the exhaust a few minutes ago. Now we're gonna jump right into hooking up some wires. What do you think? Cam, he's been extra safe today with his heat wave safety glasses. Can't go wrong with that. All right, Cam, what do you like to say here? Say to everybody.
Cue the intro. Dun-dun-dun-dun.
All right, we're back. I don't know. Ever how many days later? I've lost count. Days, weeks. It's been a journey. We're back doing some wiring. I've already gone through here, started plugging a bunch of stuff in. That's basically self-explanatory. All the tags has got everything it plugs into. So what I'm doing now is about to set the intake on this thing. So what I want is I want my wires to sit up under the intake, nice and pretty. Don't really want that tight. I do kind of need to be able to move it around a little bit. And some of the wires are sitting like I want. Some of them are trying to fight with me. Also, keep in mind on your oil sanding unit, there's a specific oil sanding unit that plugs into this ACES. So I had bought myself a brand new oil sanding unit, thinking we was gonna be slick. Yeah, we were not slick. So don't plug in there into that oil sanding unit. You need a little shorty. I think the thing said it come in the 03 to 06 trucks. And I got the one. I got the tall one with the big fat plug. Yeah, that plug on the ACES does not plug into. I'm doing my cutters. I've lost my cutters. Anyway, that plug on the ACES for the oil sanding unit does not plug into that sensor. You got to have that specific sensor. I mean, ain't no big deal. Just had to get another sensor. But I've routed the wires in the car best I could. I've started tying a couple of wires together. I ain't put it like it needs to be just yet. Let's see. Alright. Throttle position. I don't know, the map sensor wire looks mighty short. Where's the plug for this harness? Can we extend on that? I don't think we can. I think we got maximum pull already. All right, let's peel this tape off. Set this intake on here. This tape has been on here quite some time. Apparently too long because it ain't coming off very good. There we go. It's only been on there, I don't know, 3 weeks? My guy normally uses the blue painter's tape. He must have been out when he done this. Okay. Make sure all that's sitting in the center. Let's grab the intake. If you've been following along, you've seen in the previous video, I already showed you the wires on the fuel rails or the fuel injectors. How's it looking in the back? We ain't painting nothing over. Everything looks good. Let's see here, what we got? Map sensor. Ain't gonna reach. Alrighty. We're gonna have to take that harness out and run it across the top, I guess. I ain't gonna reach. That's unfortunate. Let's see, that's throttle body. We got wire for days on that one. Throttle position. Reroute this wiring harness. I figured that's how it would be. I'd have to get my wires laid out like I wanted them and then probably redo it 5 times. So let me reroute on my wires and we'll be back in a minute. All right, we're back a week and a half later. Ain't really finished up no wiring. We have done some wiring. I've been trying to rush to get this thing done, so I ain't really filmed a whole lot. I've got stuff hooked up where to turn over and crank. And we have been fighting, not running right. I've been getting super pissed with the ACES system because it ain't working like it's supposed to. Come to find out, we got 3 bad fuel injectors. And 8 severely fouled plugs. I just ain't wanting to focus on that plug. But anyway, you can see the straight funkiness on it. We have had it run a little bit. I put a clip in of it right here with a little idle, but that's about all we've been able to get it to do is idle. And so we got a little clip of it idling up there. Are you looking at my hand? Busting my knuckles all open while I go pulling spark plugs out. That's gonna feel good tomorrow. Sure is. Kiss it, make it better.
Put hydrogen peroxide on it.
Kiss it for me, Cam. Kiss it. Anyway. Make sure you had your microphone on there, Cam. So we got to order 3 fuel injectors. Because we got 3 bad injectors. Then hopefully, we'll replace on them injectors. Hopefully it runs good. Yeah, I know as soon as I was listening to it on that driver's side, I'm like, hey, we got no spark or we got no gas. One or the other. Went through a while ago, checked the spark, had spark. Popped the fuel rail off and just turned it over. There's no gas coming out of. It's weird too, because it's 3, 5, and 7. You know what 3, 5, and 7 means? Been learning you on something right quick. Passenger side, Chevrolets. 2.
Oh, it's the thing. It's the way that the pistons or something goes.
It's the cylinder.
Oh, the cylinders.
2, 4, 6, 8.
It starts 1 and then 8 and then like 2 or something.
But that's your firing order. That's which cylinder fires. That's one. I'd have to look again. It's 1, 8, something other. So number 1 fires first, then number 8. I think it's 1, 8, 4, 7, something other. I don't know. You can tell Cam in the comments to fire an order. It's on the David Freiberger's t-shirt. All the numbers on the t-shirt. But it's you done made me forget what it was. Oh, 3, 5, and 7. Fuel injectors, no firing. No firing. My guy at the engine shop gave me this intake. So I'm going to assume that was probably why this intake was just laying around.
Did he show the sticker we put on that thing?
I think it is. Can you see the inside of that injector?
No.
It looks like a black tar substance in there.
It looks sticky.
Yeah, I think it's bad fuel been sitting up in them. The other 5 was firing off pretty good. So that's gonna have to be a wrap on this week's video, because we have run out of time this week. So today's Wednesday. You got a ball game tomorrow, don't you?
I won't be there for it.
Oh no, that's right. You got Cam's got a concert at the school. You got to sing in the chorus. That's what you got tomorrow. So we don't got no time to work on it tomorrow. Friday we got to get this out so y'all can see it. So we can't work on it and put the video out. So hopefully in the next video next week, it'll be running like it's supposed to. Keep your fingers crossed. Cross your fingers, Cam. You know how to cross the fingers. Careful, that knuckle hurts. So that's going to do it for me and Cam in this one. What do you got to say, Cam?
Like, comment, subscribe, tell your friends, even the ones you don't like.
Even the ones you don't like. It's interesting. Also, we got a bunch of new subscribers. We really appreciate the support. Sure do. So thanks for watching. We'll see you next week. Preferably with a good running car.
And Power Tour ready.
Power Tour's weeks away. Just a few weeks. Maybe 4.
I get 1 day off of school and then we leave.
So we got to rock and roll. We sure do. All right. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next week.